Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and in this video we're going to talk about the Drive Medical Nitro Elite Carbon Fiber Rollator. It's a full carbon fiber rollator that weighs only 12 pounds. It can hold 300 pounds as a maximum weight capacity. It's very strong and very versatile, whether you want something for indoor use or outdoor use to travel. It folds up very easily and fits into the trunk of most vehicles. We offer it for sale, tax-free, shipping is free, and we have seasonal discounts going on year round. If you want to learn more, call the number on the screen or visit mobilitydirect.com. Our non-commissioned sales experts would love to answer any questions that you may have. Now, we're going to show you how to unbox it, assemble it, and talk about all the features. So when it arrives, it's going to show up in the box that you see on the screen now. But before we get started, I do want to tell you about our free product catalog that has our latest products, discount codes, and much more. If you want a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. Now, going back to the unboxing process, you will need something sharp to cut the tape along the seams of the box. There's a lid. You just open up the box and just take the rollator right out of the box. It is going to come with some styrofoam pieces along the top, and it will be in a plastic bag. Unfolding it to breeze, just pull the handles apart and push down on the seat, which is 17.75 inches wide by 8.5 inches depth. Now, like most rollators, it will come with brake levers, one on each side. They are lockable. Push them into the downward position to lock them in. That's going to be useful when you're mounting or dismounting the rollator. There is a removable storage bag attached to the front, and when you open up that bag for the first time, you're going to find the cane holder attachments, which are very easy to install to the frame. The top part that holds onto the top part of the cane just goes on either the left or the right side, and then the base that holds the bottom part of the cane can go on the bottom part of the frame as you're seeing on the screen now. And we're just demonstrating what it's like to use that attachment to hold your cane. Now the handles are height adjustable. You can raise them or lower them with the little white lever on the left and the right side. Now the height handle range is 32.5 inches all the way up to 37.5 inches. So it's pretty versatile. Depending on your height, you can adjust it to your comfort. Now the user manual is included. Make sure not to throw that away and read it in its entirety. By the way, the storage bag is removable, so if you do have some personal belongings that you want to take with you, you can easily remove the storage bag and take it with you. This is going to be convenient if you're going on an airplane or in a vehicle. Now the brakes are adjustable. There are some little rotation adjustment pieces towards the bottom. And to fold the unit, you just pull up on the handle that's in the middle of the seat. I would recommend lowering the handlebars if you're going to transport it in the trunk of the car so it takes a more compact shape. Super lightweight, super dependable, ultra strong frame made of, again, carbon fiber. I highly recommend this rollator. If you have any questions or you want to learn more, again, give our non-commissioned sales experts a call. We have a 5-star rated customer satisfaction reputation on Google, Facebook, and many other platforms. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, everyone, have a great day.